Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we will be creating this kind of amazing fire text design using Adobe Photoshop. This design is fully customizable. It means that you can change the text or you can use your logo. If you want to download this project file, click on the link in the video's description. It is absolutely for free. So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump to the Photoshop. Okay, so here we are in Photoshop, and the first thing that we need to do is to create new document. As always, I am going with the size of 1920 by 1080 and the resolution is 72 pixels per inch. Let's pick a black color for this design. Click on create. Pick the type tool, click anywhere on the canvas and type your text. Select the text. Now hold Ctrl key on your keyboard and drag this box to the right side to skew it just like this. Confirm it and align it to the center. Now right click on the layer and click on blending option. First of all, drop down its fill opacity to 0%. Click on stroke. Size is 8 pixels and the color is white. Hit OK. Now unlock this layer, select both layers and convert them into a smart object. Next, go to filter, stylize and choose wind. Method is wind and the direction is from the right. Hit OK. Again, go to filter. Now as you can see, this filter is on the top. This is because we used it before. So click on it and hit OK. Now convert this layer into a smart object once again. Press Ctrl T to open transform tool, rotate it and resize it to fit it in the canvas. Now go to filter and apply the wind filter about 3 times. Hold Ctrl key on your keyboard and click on this icon to create a blank layer beneath the selected layer. Fill this layer with black color. Select both layers and convert them into a smart object. Press Ctrl T to open transform tool, rotate it and then resize it to fit in the canvas. Again, go to filter, distort and choose ripple. Amount is about 100% and size is large. Hit OK. Now to colorize it, let's create a gradient map adjustment layer. Click here, create a point and change its location to 70. Click on this color box and pick an orange color. Hit OK. Now select this point, click on the color box and change its color to yellow. You can play with the colors anytime you want. Select the black point and change its location to 30. And then hit OK. Let's rename this layer color. And this one to text. Duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J. Rename it glow. Drag it on top of everything. Blur it by going to filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Blur it about 70 pixels and then hit OK. Press Ctrl U to open hue and saturation. Check the colorize option, increase its saturation to 100% and hue to 15 and then hit OK. Change its blend mode to linear dodge it and drop down its fill to about 30. It will add a subtle glow which is looking nice. Now create a gradient adjustment layer on top of everything. Select the black and white gradient and click here to edit it. Select the white point and change its color to orange kind of color. And then hit OK. Change its style to radial. Increase its scale to about 370. Check the reverse option and move it down just like this. Hit OK. Change its blend mode to screen and rename it light. Now let's drag and drop this fire texture image into the Photoshop. By the way, you can download these kind of images from Envato Elements. They have 7-day free trial. So if you want to check them out, click on the link in the video's description. Anyways, let's change its blend mode to linear dodge it. And now it is done. If you want to change the text, double click on this layer, it will open another document. Double click on this layer and again open the smart object by double clicking on it. Edit your text right here. Close all of these documents and save it. And Photoshop will update everything for you. So that's it for today guys. If you want to learn how to create this design, you can watch this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel, also ring the bell icon so you'll get notified whenever I post a new video just like this one. I'll be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.